Hi, welcome students. Welcome to Topper Classes, your friendly mentor in studies. Today, we are going to see a new chapter, Number Systems. Now, numbers are the figures which are used for counting purpose. Let us see which types of numbers are there. Natural numbers. The numbers used for counting purpose is called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. All these are the natural numbers. These numbers are used since very old times. That's why they are also called as natural numbers. 1 is the smallest natural number, but we cannot find the largest natural number as successor of every natural number is also a natural number. Symbol for set of natural number is capital N. Whole numbers. All the natural numbers together with 0 forms the whole numbers. Remember, 0 is the smallest whole number, but we cannot find the largest whole number. Symbol for set of whole numbers is capital W. Integers. The collection of all whole numbers and negatives of natural numbers is called integers. Integer starts from minus infinity, as we already know that the highest or lowest of the integer cannot be defined. Symbol for integers is capital Z or capital I. Set of integers can be represented as rational numbers. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 are known as rational numbers. Symbol for set of rational numbers is Q. Some examples are 0 upon 1, minus 2 upon 7, 10 upon 3, etc. Dear students, please try to make some examples of rational numbers. Write in the form of numerator and denominator. Take precaution that the denominator should not be 0. It can be a positive number or negative number, because any number divided by 0 is meaningless. Rational number is having either terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion. If it is non-terminating, then the decimal expansion is recurring. Now, how it is non-terminating and recurring? To see this, do the dividation 10 upon 3. You will get the answer 3.333, and the dividation will continue as long you wish. The remainder will be 1 and the quotient will be 3.3333. It will keep on repeating. So it is non-terminating and recurring decimal expansion. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Now remember, the definition of rational number and irrational number is exactly opposite. Rational numbers can be represented as P upon Q and irrational numbers cannot be represented as P upon Q. Symbol for set of irrational numbers is S. Examples: root 2, root 3, root 7, pi. Pi is also an irrational number. Now remember, square root of any prime number is always irrational. Decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Real numbers. The collection of all rational and irrational numbers together form a collection of real numbers. The set of real numbers is denoted by capital R. Every real number can be represented by a unique point on the number line. Also, every point on the number line represents a unique real number. Prime number. A number which can be divided only by the number itself and 1 is called prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. 3 is the smallest odd prime number. Prime numbers between 1 to 100. Students, you can repeat with me: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So total there are 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. Co-prime numbers. If two numbers have only one as a common prime factor, then they are called co-prime or relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. For example, 4 and 9. Now if you factorize 4 and 9, you will see there is only one common factor, that is 1 between them, or 12 and 77. We can factorize 12 as 2 into 2 into 3 and 77 as 11 into 7. So 1 is the only common prime factor between 12 and 77. Coprime number always exists in a group of 2 or group of 3 or a group of 4, 5 numbers. Composite numbers. The numbers which can be prime factorized are called as composite number. For example, 4. 4 can be prime factorized as 2 into 2. 9. It can be prime factorized as 3, 3. Now remember, 4 is the smallest even composite number. 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Examples are 10, 25, 36, 77, etc. Students should try to add some other examples on your own. Now we will see how these numbers keep on increasing. So first is the natural numbers. Symbol is capital N and they comprise 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Then whole numbers. Suppose we add 0 to the natural numbers, then we are getting whole numbers. Then integers. Suppose we add negatives of natural numbers and whole number, then we are getting integers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers, we know they can be represented in the form of a fraction, numerator and denominator, where the value of denominator should not be equal to 0. Next important is irrational numbers. Now we know irrational numbers, they cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q, and the decimal expansion of irrational numbers is non-recurring and non-terminating. So one example I have written here, 0.217654439. It will keep on repeating. Then pi. Pi is also an irrational numbers. The collection of rational number and irrational number together is called as real numbers. Always remember, 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Every natural number is a whole number. 0 is neither a negative nor positive integer. There are infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. Two rational numbers are equivalent if numerators and denominators of both the rational numbers are in proportion, or they can be reduced to become equal. For example, 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6. So they are the equivalent rational numbers. Dear students, please share, subscribe and like to our channel.